Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Hyundai Sonata brake light. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. It's crucial to ensure the new bulb matches your Sonata's specifications for proper function. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake before starting any work for your safety and convenience. Next, open your trunk and locate the small access panel directly behind the taillight assembly you need to service. You will typically find 2 or 3 retaining screws holding the entire taillight assembly in place. Carefully remove these screws using your Phillips head screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently pull the taillight assembly straight away from the vehicle body to expose the bulb sockets. Now, with the taillight assembly free, you can access the individual bulb sockets. Identify the brake light bulb socket, which usually has 2 wires connected. Twist this socket counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to release it from the housing. Carefully pull the old, burnt-out bulb straight out of its socket. Then, firmly insert the new brake light bulb into the empty socket, ensuring a secure fit. Finally, it's time to reassemble everything. Reinsert the bulb socket back into the taillight assembly, twisting it clockwise about 1/4 turn to lock it in place. Carefully align the entire taillight assembly back into its original position on the vehicle. Reattach the 2 or 3 retaining screws you removed earlier. Have a friend press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.